So we're here on Iron Gwazi, about to ride the roller coaster we have been waiting for several years. We are so excited that Busch Gardens is bringing an RMC here to Florida. So come along, take a ride with us. This is going to be an amazing experience.
I love the same thing. Not tight enough.
Along with all the other amazing coasters Busch Gardens has, seriously, this makes this a coaster fan destination, getting this new Iron Gwazi here. Here we go, guys.
Gotta take it slow.
Oh my gosh, that is incredible. Busch Gardens, thank you so much for bringing this incredible coaster to Florida. If you're in Orlando on your vacation this year, you need to take a day out of the parks in Orlando and come to Busch Gardens to ride Iron Gwazi. It's worth admission all by itself.